Okay, everybody, we are on page 188, going to check lesson 41. First, we're going to do practice A, and what I've done is I've got two little things right here. The first little line, I'll have the end mark and then what it is. Okay, so if you have your correcting pen, number 1, listen to this. That's a command. So we're going to put a period and write command on the line. Number 2, a blue whale can weigh more than 20 elephants. That's a statement. That's a fact. So it's a period. If you put an exclamation point, because, that makes you say, wow, that's okay. I will accept that too. But really, it is a statement. It is a fact. Number 3, how much does it eat in one day? That's a question, right? So question mark for 3, and you just write question. Number 4, a blue whale can eat 4 tons of food a day. That is also another statement. So a period, statement. Number 5, what an appetite it must have. All right, that is an exclamation. So we want an exclamation point or exclamation mark, and then you write exclamation. Number 6, a baby blue whale can be 25 feet long. Again, this is another statement. So you're going to put a period and statement. Number 7, that is a really big baby. Again, that's an exclamation. So we have our exclamation mark and exclamation. And number 8, watch the whale dive. Okay, that's a command. You're going to put a period and you write command. Number 9, will it stay underwater long? That's a question. So I have a question mark, question. And number 10, some blue whales stay underwater a whole hour. That's a statement. So period, statement. Again, some of these, I know I used number 2 as an example. If you put exclamation and put an exclamation mark, that's okay because I understand that is a fascinating statement. But really, it was a statement because it was a fact. Okay, moving on to practice B. This one was really easy. I wrote them all out. But again, you already know how to do this because we did this at the dictation part after your spelling test when we write the words on the back. When we write the 3 sentences, we always say, remember the rules of good writing? And we start with a capital letter, end with a punctuation mark. So you already know how to do this. So number 1, the giant squid lives more than half a mile under the sea. Okay, all you're going to do, you're going to write this sentence just like I did, but be sure, see how I've used a capital letter there, and then I put a period at the end. Number 2, tell me more about this sea creature. That's a command. So again, I've capitalized my T, and I put a period at the end. Number 3, it can grow to be almost 60 feet long. That's a statement. So capital I, period. Number 4, that's really amazing. There's my capital T and an exclamation mark at the end. And number 5, could a giant squid sink a ship? That's a question, isn't it? So I've got my capital C and my exclamation mark at the end. Number 6, thank you. Jeff is filming this part. Number 5, he caught me. My handwriting was not very good at the end there. And number 5 is, could a giant squid sink a ship? That is a question mark. I was looking at 4, which was an exclamation mark. So thank you for correcting me. Number 6, that isn't very likely. So you just put a period at the end. And number 7, giant squid sometimes attack whales, period. And number 8, what a terrible underwater battle that must be, exclamation mark. Okay, so I bet you got all of those right. Thank you for checking your work. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions, and we will have only one more grammar lesson coming up for the end of the school year. So you guys have been great, and thank you, and I will check back with you guys on Thursday. Goodbye.